Welcome to Section 1 of our Email Marketing 2.0 video training, Email Marketing Basics. In this section, we'll talk about what email marketing is all about and why you should definitely use it, automating your email marketing efforts, and regular versus self-hosted email marketing. We hope you enjoy and get the most out of this training section. What email marketing is all about and why you should definitely use it. There is a large number of companies increasing the volume of their sales using this powerful weapon called email marketing, which used correctly can generate great benefits for your businesses. This incredible tool offers great advantages, which will not only allow our customers to buy once, but will help them become loyal customers if we use it correctly. What is email marketing? It is a powerful commercial communication tool by email. It's fast, economic, and used to attract users with specific interests to generate sales. It consists of creating a list with names and email addresses of people interested in a specific topic or product through a subscriber request form, which aims to provide valuable information to attract those people. When people enter their data in the subscriber request form, it gives the company permission to send newsletters and promotions to their emails. This permission is important so that we can begin to build trust and a close personal relationship between potential clients and ourselves. There are some important things to consider when starting to create an email marketing campaign. Choose a good email marketing services provider. It is important to use an autoresponder. For each mail, create titles that arouse interest and a call to action. Create valuable, original, relevant, and interesting content. Include a link that allows the subscriber to cancel the subscription. Send emails with information of interest to the subscriber and not only saturate them with offers of our products and services. And do not stop sending emails. It is not a good practice to send an email every day, but neither is it to let a lot of time pass between each email. Why is email marketing so awesome? Using email marketing as a strategy to attract customers will help your businesses increase sales and generate greater profits. Here are some of the advantages of this impressive tool. It's direct. The user is willing to read the emails because they have given us previous authorization to send them. We can create a professional relationship with each of our subscribers. It's economic. It reduces expenses. It's cheaper than using any other advertising strategy in other media, printed media, radio, or television. Allows you to have a database. With subscriber recruitment forms, people enter their data and a database is created with their names and email addresses. This database is available to communicate with each potential customer, send them information that is of interest to gain their trust, and then be able to offer our products and services so that they can buy them. Demands little time nor effort. You can make a newsletter or a general offer in a short time using templates that can be customized. Using the database can reach a lot of potential customers in a few minutes. It's measurable. Accurate information can be obtained, which makes it possible to measure the results of the campaigns. Allows monitoring and analysis. One of the best benefits of email marketing is that it is possible to track your campaign's success. It allows you to know how many people open the emails, how many click on a link, and how many buy. This helps you know what changes need to be made in each campaign to make them effective and reach more people. Allows testing. You can create different campaigns and send each one to a small percentage of your database to learn which of the campaigns obtain better results. Shocking email marketing facts to consider. The growth of email users and their frequency of use is incredible, which has allowed the effectiveness of email marketing to increase as well. Here are some important facts. The number of email users worldwide is forecasted to rise to 2.9 billion users by 2019. The number of email users in the U.S. is projected to grow to 244.5 million by the end of 2017. That number is forecasted to grow to 254.7 million by 2020. Most people are email addicts. 9 out of 10, 91% of email users check their email inbox at least once a day. 7 out of 10, 72%, check it at least 6 times a day. Gmail has over 1 billion active users as of February 2016. Consumers have an average of 1.8 accounts per user, and U.S. business users have an average of 1.2 accounts per user as of 2016. Subject lines still matter. Nearly half, 47%, of email recipients choose whether to open emails based on the subject line. Consumer email accounts make up the majority of U.S. email accounts in 2016, representing 79% of U.S. mailboxes. Segmented email campaigns have an open rate that is 14.32% higher than non-segmented campaigns. The open rate for emails with a personalized message was 18.8%, as compared to 13.1% without any personalization in 2016. Your email subscribers spend more than other customers, 83% more in fact. The lesson? Get your customers subscribed to your email list. According to August 2016 data from the e-commerce website personalization provider Brilliance, the best retargeting conversion rate happens when the first retargeting email is sent within an hour. More than 86% of businesses surveyed indicate that they plan to increase their upcoming email marketing budgets. Emails give you one-on-one access. The average American has 3 email accounts. Even so, 78% of people receive most of their marketing emails directly into their primary personal email account. Email turns coal into diamonds. For every dollar invested in email marketing, the average return is over $40, $44.25 to be precise.